Okay everyone, welcome back to CBD Yoga and Fitness. My name is Mike and thank you all so much for joining me today. This is the 7th video in our quick yoga series, and today's video is just going to be a very quick, very short yoga flow. So we're going to try and keep it around like 5 minutes or so. So when you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's begin this sequence, this very quick sequence, coming to the top of our mats. We're going to start right away just doing some sun salutation A's. So here we go, let's inhale, bring the hands up towards the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step back to plank, lower knees, chest, chin to the mat, elbows hug in. Inhale, baby cobra, gaze down, no wrinkles in the neck. Exhale, step it back to downward facing dog. Feel free to walk your dog out here. Really breathing into the back of the legs. Keep your hands pushing into the mat, your fingers spread wide. Then on the next inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands through heart. And down by your sides. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank, lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe. From here, let's inhale, lift the right leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bend the right knee, step the right foot up between the hands. Lower the left knee down, left shoelaces down. Inhale, rise up into a nice low lunge. Right knee over right ankle. Try and keep your hips in one line here. So for a lot of us, this may mean to draw that right hip back and that left hip forward. Hands can come up overhead. Keep that core slightly engaged. Breathe. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to downward facing dog. From here, let's inhale, pick the left leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bend the left knee, step the left foot up between the hands, lower the right knee down, right shoelaces down. Inhale, rise up, low lunge. Again, left knee over left ankle, hips in one line. Core is slightly engaged, breathe. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to downward facing dog. And from here, let's inhale, lift the right leg up once again. Exhale, bend the right knee, step the right foot up between the hands. This time, pivot the left foot to 90 degrees. Air guitar the left arm up, coming into a nice warrior two. Right knee over right ankle, and right ankle in line with the left arch. Arms coming to a T, breathe. From here on your next inhale, come into a peaceful warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down, step it back to downward facing dog. On your next inhale, lift the left leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bend the left knee, step the left foot up in between the hands. Pivot the right foot 90 degrees, air guitar the right arm up. Again, coming into warrior two, left knee over left ankle, left heel in line with the right arch, arms in a T. Breathe. On your next inhale, come into a peaceful warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down. Step it back to downward facing dog. Great job, everyone. On your next inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands to heart by your sides. From here, let's take the feet as wide as the mat. Hands can come together at your heart. And we'll simply shift the hips down, coming into a nice yogi squat. Trying to keep your back as straight as you can here. Opening up the hips. And on your next exhale, you plant the hands behind you, and we'll make our way onto our backs with the soles of the feet in the mat still. And from here, we'll make our way into a bridge pose. So from here, let's inhale, lift the hips up towards the sky, and shimmy your shoulders underneath, and clasp the hands together, breathe. And on your next inhale, bring the hands up towards the sky, come up onto the tippy toes, and then exhale, slowly lower the spine down to the mat. From here, our left hand can rest on our heart, our right hand on our belly. We'll take our feet as wide as the mat and let the knees knock in towards each other for a nice constructive rest. Great job, everyone. So that basically wraps up our practice today. You can feel free to take a Shavasana, or you can rock up into a nice seated position of your choice. Wherever you are, let's bring our hands together at our heart. Thank you all so much for joining me today. The light in me honors the light in all of you. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. With that being said, let's bring our hands up to our third eye. Again, thank you so much. Namaste.